Hi, my name is Anna.
And I'm Emily, and we are from
Made with Love.
And today we are making
Chalk paintings.
And what that means, so you see we have a big tub of water in front of us.
And chalk.
And we have sidewalk chalk here.
And we have knives.
And a knife. And what we're going to do is we're going to scrape pieces of chalk into the water. And then we are going to dip a piece of paper. Watercolor paper would work just fine. I think this is a printmaking paper that my mom sent us. Use whatever you have on hand. And we are going to then take the paper, lay it into the chalk-filled water, and then we're going to have our paintings. And then we can do it all over again. So come on and watch us. Have a little fun. All right, which colors are we going to do? Ooh, that's good because I'm going to use this turquoise. So let's see. Can you just run it? Oh, there it is. See how I'm doing it? Nope, away from you. So it helps to hold the knife on the chalk and do it away from your body so that you're just getting edges of the chalk into the water. And make sure, because we have a big tub, make sure that you're getting it in the water as much as you can. You just want it to float on top. Some of it's actually sinking, so you just need as much as you want and then move on to the next color. Ooh, good. Here, come into the middle more so we have it everywhere. That's good. All your blue is down there. Can you bring it closer to here in the middle? There you go. Looks good. What about yellow?
I'm going to use some of this color.
Ooh. That's looking good. I think we need some orange. It's looking like a rainbow. How are your colors coming on? You're staying all in one corner here, sweetie. Let's see. Do we have purple? Oh, we do have a purple down here. Great job.
Hey, what's this?
Ooh, that's a pretty color. All right, how are we doing? Let's get a little white, and then I think we're good to try our first painting, see what we got, okay?
I'm ready.
This is really cool.
I'm done. I'm ready.
You're done?
Paper.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that, Anna. Look how pretty that is. All right, we're going in for our first print.
My turn.
This way. Now, take it to one finger. Here, we'll do it together. How's that? Drop it in. Just lay it on the top of the water. Put yours all the way to the top of the water. Okay, let's pick it up. Ready? Wow, look how pretty that is. So it looks pretty subtle. You can see it's a really neat
and drippy painting.
That's fun. All right, should we try another one?
Yeah.
All right. Well, those are chalk paintings. We're going to have fun and do some more and see what we can get. We will say that the brighter the chalk, the brighter the colors that you get. And it seems like more chalk in the water is not always better because it's all sinking to the bottom. So play around, have a little fun, and thanks for tuning in.
See ya.
See ya.
Peace out.